Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open your Blogger dashboard and find the specific post you want to share. Confirm the post status is published and visible to anyone who clicks. Click the post and copy the exact URL from the browser address bar so the link is precise. If your URL looks long, consider using a reliable URL shortener to condense it. Shortened links are cleaner in a Facebook post and easier to track using UTM tags later. Open Facebook and start a new post in your profile, page, or group where you want to share. Paste the blogger URL and wait for the link preview to generate with thumbnail and title. If the preview fails, recheck the URL or clear cache and retry. Write a concise description under 25 words to invite clicks and add a clear call to action. Choose the audience, add hashtags, set location, and attach an image if desired for more engagement. Before posting, append UTM parameters to the blogger link to track traffic accurately in analytics. Preview the post on mobile and desktop to ensure the thumbnail and meta text display correctly. Use Facebook post scheduling to publish at peak times when your audience is most active. If the post needs extra reach, set a small boost budget targeted to your demographic. Finally, monitor engagement after posting and reply promptly to comments to encourage further sharing and sustained reach.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.